Hello and welcome to another Nucida session, in which I will show you how to run a group of tests in TestComplete. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Let's go directly into the topic. It's often a good practice to run several tests one after another. For example, the first test can initialize your application, the second one can check data loading, the third one modifies the loaded data, and so on. We have this sample, TestComplete project with several keyword tests. Let's run them in sequence. You can define a set of tests to be run and their run order on the test items page of your TestComplete project. Let's open the page. For now, this page is empty. Let's add some tests there. You can do it in two ways, by dragging test items from the Project Explorer, or by clicking the New Test Item button and selecting the desired test. These test items will be executed one after another. Let's rename them so their names better reflect their actions. Now let's run our project to execute the added test items. Click this button. As you can see, TestComplete has executed all our tests one after another in the order specified on the test items page. The summary report contains overall information on the test run. To see detailed information on executed tests and their operations, we switch to this panel. Now let's have a look at the test items page again and explore options that affect their test runs. If your tests take parameters, you can specify them here. Also, you can temporarily exclude a test from a run. To do this, clear its checkbox. Now the test that adds a product to the shopping cart won't be executed. You can easily change the test order if needed. Now the test that verifies a product's price will be executed first. Hey, before we go any further, my team just told me that over 60% of you who are watching this channel are new viewers, but you haven't subscribed to it. So, I would ask you, if you find this channel useful, to hit the subscribe button. That helps us analyze it, but more importantly, it helps me teach more people and feel like I'm doing the right thing to help you make a living doing what you love. This may be overwhelming for you because you may be new to your business. You may not be used to software quality or testing. I understand you. I feel for you. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida QA experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comments section of this channel near time. Or we would produce a new video to explain your mentioned topic in a more detailed manner. Now, I would like to continue with our session here. If you want to exclude the test results from the summary report, clear the test case checkbox for this test item. Let's run the test again and see how it all works. You can see that the test that adds a product to the shopping cart will not be run at all. The test that verifies a product price will run, but its results will not be included in the summary report. Of course, you can still find detailed information on the test results along with results of other executed tests in the log details. Now let's return to the test items page again and explore more options. Here you can specify what TestComplete will do if an error occurs during the test item run. For example, if we select this stop test item value, TestComplete will stop the current test item when an error occurs and proceed with the next test item. If we select stop project, the entire run will be stopped upon an error and no other tests will be executed. Here you can specify how many times each test item will be repeated. And here you can specify the timeout for each test item. If you use an external test management system, for instance the Jira plugins Zephyr or X-Ray, here you can link your test items to external test cases. This concludes our explanation. I hope this will help you learn how to run multiple tests and manage their executions in TestComplete. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos. Thank you for watching, happy testing, and see you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about software quality, test management, and test automation. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives, but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage, nucida.com, to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.